Hello, welcome back to another video. My name is Chidera and Kelly. Coming across this channel for the first time, you are highly welcome. Please consider subscribing. And to you, all my new subscribers, thank you so much for subscribing to this amazing family. You're welcome to this wonderful family. And to all my old subscribers, thank you so much, guys, for your constant support. So guys, today we are making this ugba sauce. I'm going to be sharing with you on how to make this delicious yummy ugba sauce you're seeing here. Believe me, you're going to love it. Your children will love it. Everybody in your house will love it. So if you want to know how I made this sauce, then keep on watching. Let me introduce my ingredients to you, and do not forget to like this video. If you find the video interesting, do not forget to leave your thoughts for me in the comment section. So guys, let's get started. So guys, these are the ingredients I'm going to be using to prepare this my sauce, my ugba sauce. I have my ugba here. This is what ugba looks like. This is it. This is my ugba. And here is my crayfish. I have my crayfish here. I've grated it already. My chopped onions here. I have my smaller fish I've washed and I've deboned it too. My seasoning cube, I'm using again a jackpot. And in here I have my pepper. I have my grated red scotch bonnet pepper. And this is my yam, okay? This is the yam I'll be using to eat this sauce. So now guys, I will start now by peeling this yam. I'm going to start now by peeling the yam. So I'm done peeling the yam now. Just going to wash and then cut into my desired shape. Start cooking. I'll start cooking it now. So now I'm just going to start by adding in my yam. I'll go in with my salt now. And then I'll add in my water to cook this yam. And then guys, I'm just going to cover this pot now and I'll add this yam to cook. Let's check on the yam. I'm not cooking porridge, so I'm not going for a very soft yam, but the yam have to be cooked, okay? So I've just poked a knife in, and my yam is ready. I'm going to bring it down and we'll start making our sauce. If you are watching it now guys, please subscribe if you have not and like this video, okay? So now to make this sauce, I'm just going to add in my red oil, we're going to let this oil to heat up. Okay, we are not bleaching the oil. There's no need to bleach the oil. Just let the oil to heat up, get hot, then we add in our onions. Have you subscribed? Have you liked this video? So now I will go in with my onion. Going to let this onion to release its flavor into the oil, and then we'll go in with our next ingredient. So now I'll go in with my pala fish. I like going in with my pala fish now because I want it to fry a little bit. Okay, I'll add in the pala fish and then I'll add in my pepper. I don't want it to fry because I'm not a fan of pala. This is the only way I can enjoy my pala. If it's frying inside oil, let it just fry. So I'll add in my pepper now, and I'm just going to mix this. You can add in your pepper first before your fish. It's up to you, okay? So me, I'm going in with my fish first because I want this banana fish to fry. Because once this pepper is ready, our sauce is ready. To cover now, and I'll allow the sauce to fry. So now let's check on the sauce. I will go in now with my fish. Then I'll add in my seasoning cubes. Give this a very good mix. I'm going to mix this, and I'll add in my ugba now. I'll go in with my ugba. Then we mix. Will you be trying out this? Let me know in the comment section. I hope you enjoy watching this video. So guys, at this point your sauce is ready. Your sauce is ready. I'm just going to mix. I will cover this and let it cook for just a minute, okay? And then our sauce is ready. If you have not subscribed, please subscribe, like and share. Alright, And guys, our sauce is ready. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Will you be trying out this recipe? Let me know in the comment section. Our ugba sauce is ready. So this is what I'll be having today. Today is Sunday, and this Sunday afternoon, this is what I'll be having for my lunch today. This ugba sauce is so yummy. So now the sauce is ready. You just bring it down and serve. And guys, our ugba sauce is ready. I'll be enjoying the sauce with this boiled yam here, but you can also enjoy yours with either roasted yam or roasted plantain. Ugba sauce goes well with roasted yam and roasted plantain. Let me know in the comment section if you'll be trying out this recipe. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Please do not forget to like, comment, share, do all of that good stuff to this channel. Thank you for watching, and until I come your way next time, please stay safe. Bye.